In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate bullets in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, adding a touch of animation to your bullet points can make your slides more engaging and memorable. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple guide to bringing your slides to life. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can simply type Google Slides into your search bar, or if you're familiar with the URL, head straight there. Once you've arrived, the next step is to sign into your Google account. This is essential because it gives you access to all the features Google Slides has to offer and allows your work to be automatically saved in the cloud. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you have the option to start a new presentation. You can either click blank presentation to craft something from scratch, or you can choose a theme to add some style right from the get-go. Picking a theme might be helpful if you already have an idea of the kind of aesthetic you want for your slides, but both options will get you set up quickly. Once your presentation is open, choose the text you wish to animate. This can be a title, a bullet point list, or any piece of text you'd like to bring attention to. Selecting the text is as simple as clicking and dragging your cursor over it. With your text highlighted, it's time to apply bullet points if you haven't done so already. You can find the bullet point function in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Clicking it will format your selected text into a standard bulleted list, helping to break down information clearly. Next up is customization. You might want to change how your bullets look to better fit the style of your presentation. To customize the bullet style, look again to the toolbar where you found the bullets. There you can find different styles and shapes, allowing you to change from dots to arrows, stars, or anything that matches your theme. With your bullet points customized, let's move on to the animation part. First, click on Insert in the top menu. From there, a drop-down menu will appear, and you need to click on Animation. This action will open up the animation settings for your slide. In this panel, you will see options to add animations to your bullet points. Select the type of animation you want from the list. Popular choices often include fade in or appear, as these are subtle yet effective for introducing text. You can adjust the speed of the animation to match the flow of your presentation, ensuring that it feels natural and engaging. Once you're happy with your choices, go ahead and play your slide to see how the animations work in real time. If needed, adjust any settings again until you're fully satisfied with the effect. And there you go, your presentation is now a lot more dynamic and engaging with animated bullet points.